Rutgers. Anthony Calabrese here, bringing you your Monday, October 13th, 2014 evening forecast. Now, it's finally starting to get a little chilly outside, and the month of October has been pretty dry in terms of precipitation, but that trend looks to change later on this week. I'll talk more about that in a minute, but right now, let's jump into our almanac. As you see, we got up to a high of 64 and a low of 41, just below our averages of 67 and 44, respectively, and nowhere near record highs and lows of 85 and 25 degrees. Our sun rose at 7:04 this morning and set at 6:24 this evening. Now, as we look at the low temperatures for New Jersey, you see Sussex, our cold spot, at 57, Newark at 62, New Brunswick at 59, and the rest of New Jersey pretty consistent in the low to mid 60s. Zooming out to the rest of the Northeast, you'll see Ithaca at 57, Boston and Hartford both at 56, New York City at 62, Mount Pocono, our cold spot, at 54 degrees, and again, the rest of the tri-state consistent in the low to mid 60s. Now, as we look at the satellite for New Jersey, you'll see a few pop-up rain showers here and there, but what the radar isn't showing is that we're experiencing some heavy drizzle. And as we zoom out to the national satellite, you'll see the rest of the Northeast pretty dry. Same goes for the western half of the United States. As for the Midwest, though, you'll see a very visible low-pressure system that's associated with the cold front extending all the way down to the south, and ahead of the cold front is some very heavy rain and thunderstorms, and that will be working its way east in the next couple days. Now, as we look at our futurecast, you'll see the rain will be working its way east and should arrive in our area at around Thursday morning and should stay there, giving us some very heavy rain all the way until Thursday afternoon, until it works its way off the east coast later on Thursday evening. Now, as we look ahead to tonight, 56 degrees our low, winds out of the southeast at 8 miles per hour, and some clouds and a chance of showers. For tomorrow morning's forecast, you'll see 63 degrees, partly sunny skies, and winds out of the south-southeast at 2 to 5 miles per hour. Now, as I step out for our 7-day forecast, you'll see mostly cloudy skies on Tuesday, high of 77, low of 64. Wednesday, the rain will move in a little bit, high of 76, low of 66. And then the bulk of the rain will get here Thursday morning and persist all the way until Thursday afternoon. But the temperatures will drop a little bit because it is associated with a cold front, high of 69, low of 54. Friday, the rain has moved out, so there's mostly sunny skies, high of 70, low of 51. Saturday, the same deal, high of 70, low of 46. And then Sunday, it is mostly sunny, but the temperatures drop a little bit, high of 63, and the low dropping all the way down to 43 degrees. And then Monday, partly cloudy skies, high of 60 degrees. But that is it. If you missed us, you can check us out on RUTV Channel 6 every 15 minutes. You can like us on Facebook at RU Weather Watcher. Follow us on Twitter at RUTVWW, hashtag RUWeather. And you can look us up at any time at weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu. I'm Anthony Calabrese. Have a great evening, Rutgers.